Have you ever wondered how in the world a mountain was formed? Where it came from? What is its history? Geology is one way that the history of the Earth can be discovered. Just by looking at a rock, a geologist can tell where it was formed and under what conditions it was formed. The first step to uncovering the past is being able to identify the rock. There are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Let's take a look at some of these rocks and try to identify what elements characterize each type. Let's begin with igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when Earth's material is pushed deep within the Earth and it melts to form a magma. There are two types of igneous rocks. They form different textures. There is phaneritic, like this rock right here. It's a granite and you can see all the different crystals inside of it. And then there's aphanitic, which is like this basalt. You can't see the individual crystals. They're too small. Phaneritic rocks usually form intrusively or beneath Earth's surface, like at point B, and cool very slowly. This slow cooling allows crystals to grow large enough to see them without the help of a microscope. Granite is an example of an intrusive rock that has a phaneritic texture. Extrusive rocks cool at Earth's surface, like at point A. They cool very quickly, which results in an aphanitic texture. Because it cools so quickly, the crystals do not have time to grow. Another example of this is obsidian. Sometimes the rock cools so fast that air pockets are preserved, like in this rock. Sedimentary rocks are formed when millions of sediment grains undergo slight amounts of pressure, becoming lithified or glued together. These sediments are commonly deposited in layers. If the sediment is really small, like 0.002 of a millimeter in diameter, it's considered clay. A rock made of this size sediment is called shale. If the sediment is a little bit bigger, like grains of sand, then it's called sandstone. A really cool type of sedimentary rock forms when there is a mixture of large stones or cobbles and small grains. This is called a conglomerate. The best part about sedimentary rocks is they contain fossils, like these. Metamorphic rocks, like this piece of schist, are formed when pre-existing rocks are put under intense heat and pressure. As the rock is heated and squeezed together, it deforms. One of the most well-known metamorphic rocks is called gneiss. Gneiss is formed when granite is exposed to intense heat and pressure. During this process, the different minerals are consolidated and cool bands are formed, like in these samples.
Now that you've learned to classify igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks, you will be able to classify any rock you see. Thank you for watching, and good luck in all your rock classification adventures.